CNC Design, New Zealand's Staubli Robotics distributor, is proud to have the opportunity to present the Staubli TS2-40 Stericlean robot in action. Before the cell it has been incorporated into is installed in its New Zealand-based final destination. The TS2 is Staubli's SCARA Robot range and comes in all the variants the Staubli 6-axis robots are available in. This robot was supplied in the Stericlean option to allow cleaning with hydrogen peroxide or isopropyl alcohol, as required by the medical related facility it will be installed in. This application is a bottle filler for ultra high value liquid, traditionally being performed by hand within a Laminar Flow Hood to minimise contamination risk. The Staubli Stericlean excels in such clean environments, being rated to clean room rating ISO Class 4. Alternatively, if one needs to be cleaner than this, the Super Clean Room variant is available in ISO Class 2. The cell brings into stark relief the ability for such robots to work within Laminar Flow Hoods. The Stericlean robot could equally be performing tasks commonly undertaken within a Laminar Flow Hood, such as repetitive medical test procedures, or cleaning parts, components or devices to an ultra high level. The TS2 family is also available in Staubli's humid environment range, designed along European Hygienic Engineering Design Group's guidelines. Therefore, this Stericlean robot inherits the same cleanability, with the added material compatibility to allow cleaning with hydrogen peroxide or isopropyl alcohol. If you have an application where you would like a robot to operate in a clean or hygienic environment in the medical, food or manufacturing industries, give CNC Design a call so we can specify your Staubli robot.